my people. They say we should stop using washing machine to wash our clothes. We should not use washing machine to wash our husband's clothes. We should not use washing machine to wash our children's clothes. You see me? It's only me. It's me that will prove it wrong. You see this washing machine? I will be using it to wash my clothes. This washing machine, I've been saving life till 19 Borogodo. I beg you, men are left me. Oh, you see this washing machine? That's what I will be using. You see this washing machine? I will be using it to they pour me sweet inside mouth and I say make I vomit am. I should spit it out. If I don't use and wash, who go wash for me? Who go wash for me? Now I go wash am for me. You see, nothing. Yeah, I'm waiting for it. I will do everything.